How to get a business loan for your cleaning company. Cleaning businesses often need upfront funds for supplies, staff, and transportation. Contracts may pay out slowly, but your business expenses are immediate. As independent brokers, we help cleaning companies connect with flexible funding. We're not part of David Allen Capital, but we work with them because they provide fast and reliable options for service based businesses. DAC usually approves cleaning companies the same day, with deposits made in 24 to 48 hours. That speed means you can accept more contracts without worrying about cash flow. They also back every deal with a $500 meet or beat guarantee, giving you peace of mind that you're getting one of the best offers available. If your cleaning service has been operating for at least 6 months with consistent revenue and healthy bank statements, you may qualify, even with just average credit. So, if you're ready to expand your team or upgrade your equipment, click on the link in the description below, watch the founder's message, and apply today. Good luck!